In Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, there's a very functional, very understandable audio mixer that you can use. So we have this video from Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020 with an artist drawing to music, and it sounds like so. Now I want to take this drop in the song and I want to make it even more impactful. I'm going to do this by splitting the clip, go to the end of the chorus, which is about right there. I'm going to hit split clip again. Now I have this area that is separate from the first and the last parts of the clip. That way I can change the audio settings here without affecting the other two clips. I'm going to hit the undo button because that's not exactly what I wanted to do here. I'm going to go up to effects. And click audio, and I can see that I can change the level of volume for this portion of the video that is selected over here. That way I can lower the volume in general on that clip. There's another way to do this. You come over, grab tools, go to audio mixer, and now you have the different channels. So we have audio 1 here, and that's the only channel with audio right now. But there likely you might have videos that would also include voice down in the track below that, or music as well. So we're going to take audio clip 1, we're going to put the audio about right there. And now we've lowered the beginning a little bit and upped the second part when the drop hits. So now when we watch it, it'll sound like this. As you can see, we also were able to monitor the decibels on this bar here, and also see that no tracks were in voice or music, so no decibels were playing over there.